Alright, what's going on everybody? It's Alan Thomas, aka Shadow Assassins, and today on this edition of Making a Webcomic, I'm showcasing two new character designs that I've worked on. They're pretty much going to be like supporting characters for my main character. I've done quite a few different designs, but what you're going to see here, or what you're looking at currently in the screen, are the two ones that I'm actually going with, two of the side characters for the main one that I drew for my comics. So these are some of the designs that I'm sharing here. So I'm actually not going to get into too much detail right now about the character designs that I've done for my comic. There's not really that much reason to right now, especially with this playing on the screen. So I'm going to stop rambling early on, and I'm just going to let you sit here and enjoy the rest of the speed paintings for my two characters. So let me know what you think, let me know how you like the designs, and leave a like and enjoy the video. I'm out.